In today's digital age, phishing attacks are rapidly evolving. Hackers are now harnessing new technologies to stealthily steal data. These sophisticated methods are increasingly difficult to detect and often bypass traditional security measures. One alarming trend involves the use of Cloudflare workers. Additionally, attackers are turning to HTML smuggling and even leveraging generative AI to craft convincing phishing emails. These advanced techniques not only make phishing more sophisticated but also significantly increase the success rate of these attacks. It's crucial that we understand these threats to adapt our defenses effectively. While traditional phishing attacks, often riddled with grammatical errors and originating from suspicious addresses, were easier to spot, the new wave of attacks appears far more legitimate, capable of fooling even the most vigilant users. Cloudflare Workers, a potent platform, enables developers to run code at the network edge, enhancing website performance and scalability. However, this technology can be maliciously exploited by hackers. Attackers are using Cloudflare Workers to create phishing pages that look incredibly authentic and can bypass security measures, redirecting users to malicious sites without their knowledge. Since the code runs on Cloudflare's servers, it becomes challenging to block using traditional security tools as the malicious activity is hard to detect, and the attacker's server remains obscured, making it harder to track down the perpetrators. HTML smuggling represents another perilous technique used by attackers. By embedding malicious code within seemingly harmless HTML, this technique executes the moment a user opens an email. Traditional email security often focuses on attachments, but HTML smuggling cleverly bypasses these checks. The malicious code quietly downloads in the background, unbeknownst to the user. Attackers utilize this technique not only to deliver malware but also to steal credentials through fake login forms. These forms may look legitimate, but they secretly send the collected data directly to the attacker's server. Section 4. Gen AI, the rise of intelligent phishing. Generative AI is making phishing more sophisticated. Attackers use Gen AI to create personalized emails. These emails are more convincing and are tailored to the recipient's interests. Gen AI can mimic writing styles, making phishing emails look authentic. They can bypass spam filters and fool even savvy users, increasing the likelihood of a successful attack. This technology is evolving rapidly. We can expect to see more advanced attacks that will be harder to detect. They will exploit the power of AI. Section 5. Man in the Middle. Phishing, a new threat. AITM phishing uses techniques like HTML smuggling and Cloudflare workers, creating a new breed of attack that is very difficult to detect. In AITM phishing, the attacker intercepts communication, sitting between the user and the legitimate website. They can steal credentials in real time and also manipulate transactions. This attack is hard to detect because the user interacts with what appears to be the real website. The attacker can manipulate the session and steal information without raising suspicion. Section 6. Staying ahead, prevention and mitigation. Combating these threats requires a multifaceted approach. Awareness is key. Educate yourself about these techniques. Be wary of suspicious emails. Use strong, unique passwords. Enable two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security. Keep software up to date, including operating systems, browsers, and plugins. Use a reputable email security solution to help filter out malicious emails. Be cautious about clicking links. Always hover over links to verify the destination before clicking.